Hi there! In Washington, D.C., people do many things in the evening. They go listen to music. They eat at a restaurant. They go to the theater. Tonight, I am going to the theater with my friends. But I don't know what clothes to wear. Maybe this magazine can help. Her clothes are beautiful. I really want a friend like her to help me. Who are you?
I am Jeannie. You want help? I am here to help you find the right clothes.
Awesome! How about jeans and a t-shirt?
No! Jeans and a t-shirt are too casual. How about something more formal?
Sure! Wow, Jeannie, this dress is beautiful, but it's not the right size. It's too small.
Yes, it is too small, but green looks great on you.
Thanks.
Take off the green dress. Let's try a green shirt and a skirt.
Listen.
How about jeans and a t-shirt?
Speak. Listen. Let's try a green shirt and a skirt. Speak.
Oh, Jeannie, this green shirt is too large. And this orange skirt is too orange.
Yes, the right size for you is medium. Let's try again.
Oh, I don't like this outfit.
No, that does not match.
Nothing. These clothes are formal. A suit jacket, a dress shirt, and a tie. They look great.
Those clothes look great. For a man, something is wrong.
Let me see. There, now try.
Oh, thanks. Now these clothes look great on you.
They do. Jeannie, can you put on a gold belt?
Sure.
That looks great. Can you put on a jacket?
Why not?
I love the jacket. How about a hat?
Why not?
Listen.
I don't like this outfit.
Speak. Listen. These clothes look great on you. Speak.
Take off the hat. That's better.
Jeannie, these clothes look and feel great. Let's go to the theater.
Sorry, Anna. I have to help other friends. Go to the magazine if you want me to help again.
Thanks, Jeannie. Sure thing. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
There are many places in DC to go for a great evening out. And it's nice to have a friend to help me look my best. Until next time, bye!